Welcome to John Organic Supplement channel. Today, I'll be giving my honest experience on Resurge supplement review. So, about 3 weeks ago, my friend and I went to the boutique to try out some dresses for our 21st birthday party. On getting to the boutique, I tried out my normal size dresses and I found out that none of the dresses could fit. I was so surprised. How could I allow myself to put on so much weight? I could not even pull the zip. I was so angry. Rushing back home, I pulled out the scale and weighing myself, I found out that I put on 12 pounds more. I was so angry. Now, when I tried out so many things and I found that none worked, I stumbled upon Resurge supplements and I was surprised. It gave me outstanding results in just 1 week. I lost about 15 pounds in just 1 week. I was so surprised and happy. Now, you may ask, what are the results that you expect from Resurge supplements? And I'll tell you that. Resurge supplements, it literally detoxifies your body. It helps you feel more relaxed and it helps shed belly fat. Do you also know that if Resurge supplement does not work for you, there's a 60 days money back guarantee and it has been created for both male and female. Now, there's also shipping worldwide, so it doesn't depend where you are living. If you're living in one country or another, it does not depend on such countries. It can be delivered worldwide. And there's a special discount for people if you can click the link in the description. Thank you.